kumuha rin ako ng dalawang sample. So, again, meron silang 6 na sets or 6 na designs for the Uno cards, and at the same time, tatlong game type per card. So, meron sila yung regular Uno, and then this one is the Uno Flip, and then the other one is Uno Wild. Though, ang pinili ko is yung dalawang Uno Flip pa rin. First is because, yan, we have this Anya na napaka-cute. And then, of course, my favorite in My Hero Academia, si Bakugo. So, let's see what's inside. Lain muna natin to si Spy Family Anya. Ayan. Pagpalusot. Ayan. There you go. And we have this, yan. Yan, Anya Holo. Holo na Anya. And then the Spy Fam characters. Yun. Mga kaklase niya, si Lloyd, si Anya, si Yor, and si Bondo. Yan. Uno Wild, ganyan. So, ikot lang din sa mga characters. And, by the way, kaya siya sinabing Uno Flip, meron pa siyang mga other card details sa likod na ginagamit din sa play. Yan. So, to make or to game change yung setup. So, meron sila tinatawag na Uno Flip. Basically, you can start with this one, front. And then the moment na magkaroon ng flip, yan. Pag pina-flip ng kalaban, ito naman yung gagamitin nyo on the other side. And the rest of the games nandun sa manual. Next, My Hero Academia Bakugo. Yun. Ayun lang. Fortunately, yung holo niya hindi pala si Bakugo. Siya ay si All for One. Yan. Okay? Pero hologram sticker pa rin. So, and of course, Deku, Bakugo, yan, si Urabiti, yan, si Hap Hap, and the other guys. Yan. Si Milenyo ba yun? And All Might, of course. Then, of course, yung baliktad niya, yan, Uno Flip. Yan, may characters pa rin naman. And other designs. Which is, tingin ko, okay din tong flip kasi dalawang image, dalawang design yung makukuha mo in one card. And by the way, ayan, you can play or scan yan to play your Uno online as well together with this anime Happy Meal. Yung pala, sasabay natin na unboxing is itong Zodiacs na 12 pieces ng MacBook. Sinabay ko na rin. Yan. And yan, malalaman nyo na ngayon kung ano ang Zodiac sign ko dahil yun ay sinabay natin dito, which is yan, ang Year of the Rat. Yan. Sa cover lang siya. And then yung figure ng MacBook. Yan. Forgot the name. Yan. Pangalan ba sa likod? Pero wala. Yan. But nakapasok siya sa loob ng mascot ng isang Year of the Rat. Yan. Cute. Kung mahilig ka sa mga Zodiac sign style. Yan. But in our case, syempre dahil Year of the Rat siya, titry na lang natin yung Year of the Rat. There you go mga katotoy. So, yan. Ito yung sets natin ng unboxings ng Happy Meal ng McDonald's. Of course, bundled siya sa Happy Meal together with the foods for only about 130 to 150 pesos worth of Happy Meal together with this collectible cards, which is yun, not bad. Goods na rin, lalo na kung fan ka ng mga anime na to and you want to collect something new with these cards. Yan. You can have the My Hero Academia and the Spy Family card sets. And of course, yun, kung mahilig kayo, mag-collect ng mga Zodiac sign show para papaswerte sa iyo araw-araw buhay. Yan. You can check this McDonald's Zodiac sign figures and baka makuha din yung interest mo and you can get one. So, ayun. Hanggang dito na lang muna mga fellow katotoys. May the toys be with you.